Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Eddie J Smith here. Are you ready? No. Are you ready, guys? Today we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial using the new Marykay Radiate Confidence Petite palette. Okay, this is a follow-up to the Feel Fierce Petite palette tutorial that I did. If you haven't watched that tutorial, I'm going to leave a link right here in the cards, and also there will be links in the description box so you can go check that out. We created an awesome look using the Feel Fierce Petite palette by Marykay. For today's tutorial, we are going to be using the Radiate Confidence palette. She is fire, okay? I'm going to give you a close-up shot of the palette. She's really gorgeous and I cannot wait to play with her. So we're just going to jump right in. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't done so, if you enjoyed the tutorial, and please share this content. Let's get the word out, let's get the views up, let's support the channel. So we're going to start right now, and I'm going to come closer for you guys so we can see everything I do. So if you're excited to watch this tutorial, then keep on watching. To start off, I'm going to start with my Marykay Perfecting Concealer. I'm going to use Mahogany, and we're going to use that as our first crease color. And I'm going to be using a large Ultimate Crease Brush by lorihogg. Now, Mahogany is a lot deeper than Cinnabar. So now that I've placed it, I'm going to just wipe my brush and then I'm going to blend the edges in soft stroke circles. Next, I'm gonna go with my concealer, all right? And I'm just going to place that right here in the middle. And we're going to just spread that out, just like this. All right, guys, so now I'm just gonna go back and I'm picking up Radiant Blue, and we're gonna just kind of place her where I cut with the concealer and just build. The eyes are talking, people. Woo! Are y'all feeling this blue or what? Yes, honey child. Now I'm gonna go in with Golden Peach, and we're going to press her in the middle. Don't worry, I know right now you can see that they're kind of obviously separate, but we are going to blend them into each other. All right, gonna marry the colors together. Okay, so now that I've placed it, I'm gonna kind of use the peach shade, and we're gonna just kind of gently blend that into the blue. And see, now you can't really see the lines as obvious as they were before, which is what we want. So with an eye look like this, you may need to tweak it a little bit here and there, okay? If you feel the need to do that, add a little more color, blend a little bit more till you get it just right, that's fine. I did go back with the Mahogany and kind of just blended the edges a little. Personally, I would like to intensify the outer corner with like Onyx, which they didn't put in this palette, but they did put that in the Feel Fierce palette. So you do have the option of taking that and deepening the outer corner. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna stay true to the palette, just like I did with the Feel Fierce. And we're gonna move on to the rest of the face. So now I'm gonna move on to the face, but we'll come back to the eyes, but I'm gonna start my primer. So I'm using my Marykay Timewise 3D Matte Foundation in W140. I do have a highlight and contour video using Marykay product, so I'm gonna leave a card right here for you guys to go check that video out if you haven't watched it already. And I'm using our Marykay blending sponge, which I love. And now we're gonna highlight using my Marykay concealer, the Perfecting Concealer in light bronze. So I'm gonna go back into the palette now. I'm gonna pick up Toffee, all right, which is a nice matte shade. Pop that right here on the brow bone. That's a very pretty matte color. Next, I'm gonna go back to Golden Peach, and we're gonna pop that in the inner tear duct, just for a pop of color. Beautiful. Just bring her down here a little bit too, just to open up the eyes more. So now I'm just using hot coral on the cheeks to bring back warmth to the face. And I love this color. I think it's great to tie this look together. Okay, so now we're gonna go for highlight. And I'm gonna go back to the palette and pick up Golden Peach, because I feel like that's been a nice color. Let's just try that out, see if I'm right. So just picking up Golden Peach. Again, makeup is versatile. Oh, and that is perfect. That is the perfect. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is just exactly the kind of color I want. But wow, do you guys see that? That is so pretty. That is poppin'. That is poppin'. I love that color. So let's move on to the lips. So today I'm gonna test out Tenacious Taupe. It is a nude, so I am going to first of all line my lips with the Mary Kay lip liner in dark chocolate. I also use this pencil on my eyebrows, guys, because it is super creamy. It glides on super easy, and it's just the perfect color for my brows. Like, it's not too dark, it's not too black, it's not gray, you know? So let's try Tenacious Taupe on its own today, because I know the last video I used it mixed with Spice of Life, but today we're gonna try it on its own and see what it looks like, and I'm excited. Okay. Okay. Not bad. That's a different shade of nude on me, that's for sure. That's an interesting color. That's an interesting color. But I am going to go with Spice of Life because, you know, that color is bae. And I think it'd be nice to use both of them together. So here we go. Just to give us, you know, some warmth and more color in there, because that is pretty nude. A little better. Much better. Okay guys, so I actually took off the Tenacious Taupe and started over again and put on the Spice of Life. It's a much more warmer color, and the other one was just a little too gray for me. So I prefer this better, a lot better with this look. I was actually looking at my eyes and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna add a little bit of the blue on my waterline, because I really love that blue and I really wanted to give us more color. So guys, what do you think about this look? Let me know in the comments. Am I the only one who's obsessed with our August bead earrings from Mary Kay? Because listen, that earring is just gorgeous. I wear it with everything and I can't get enough. It's so beautiful. Okay, so let me know in the comments if you're loving your bead earrings, because I am absolutely loving it. And that is it, guys. Thank you for joining me today on this tutorial using our new limited edition Mary Kay Petite palette in Radiate Confidence. I hope you're loving this look right here, because I'm loving it. This blue is fire. It's royalty. I feel very special wearing this palette. It's so beautiful. And I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you think about this palette. Let me know what you think about this look today. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell button at the corner so you get notified every time I upload. And remember to share, guys. Sharing is caring, sharing is love, sharing is free, and sharing is supporting my channel. Thank you for joining me today, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.